Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope very well. I'm actually doing a review of a wok, which I've got right here. Pretty big one, rather nice. I'm going to be making some chicken fried rice. I got to work tonight and tomorrow, and then my work week actually starts Monday because today's Saturday. So I'm doing a little meal prep for work. Thought I'd show you the wok. And I'll give you a closer look here in a moment. All the Amazon links will be down in the description. They actually sent this to me for review, so I do appreciate that. Yeah, so let's take a close look and we'll get to cooking. Normally I do a lot of meal prep and show you all the steps of the stuff I make, but I probably won't do that in this video. I'll just either skip through it and just show you the cooking, or I might just touch on a little bit, but there won't be as much showing of the meal prep. Alright, so here's a closer look of the wok. As you can see. So 13 and a half inches, almost 14 inches across. And about 4.5 inches high. You know, it's quite the hefty pan. Now I'll do meal prep at home for work for sometimes for several days, so I'll I'll cook larger meals. So I had large hands, you can see, pretty big pan. So nice wood handle with the sticker I can't seem to get off. I'll have to pick on that later. A little hook, so if you have a place to hang it in the kitchen. Alright, I think most of my prep is done. This is leftover rice. I actually cooked this yesterday. Put it in a dish, let it get chilled overnight. Got my wok, which I've got warming up. I got my chicken cut up, my eggs whipped. I got some carrot, garlic, ginger. And I got some seasonings. I got some MSG, the king of flavor. And then I've got some soy sauce. I actually have dark soy sauce. And then I've got my sesame oil, which goes at the end for flavor. Few things I'm not adding. Either I forgot to get it or I don't like it. But first we're going to do is we're going to cook the eggs first. Get those scrambled up. I'll set them aside. Start cooking the chicken. Add the other ingredients, and we'll just go from there. Heat it up. Got some neutral oil. I got my scrambled eggs. Add just a little bit of salt to those. Eggs are done. Get a little bit more oil. A little bit more salt. Alright. Go ahead and throw the garlic and ginger in. And the carrots. Alright, chicken is done, so we're going to go ahead and add the rice. Just went ahead and added all of it. Might need a little additional moisture, a little additional oil. Not too much. Yep. And add some soy sauce. And some dark soy sauce. We add the scrambled eggs. I just realized I didn't bring any. I should have bought some peas. Some peas would have been good in here. Now at this stage, if you wanted to add like green onion, totally could. I'm gonna go call it done. And the last ingredient will be the sesame oil. It's more of a flavoring than... Oh! And I forgot. The king of flavor. MSG. Let's sprinkle some of that on there. There we go. Go ahead and dish some of this out. Alrighty, there we go. Go ahead and give it a taste. It's not hard to make. Just gotta make it the way you like. I mean, add things you like. You know, if you want onion, shallot, green onion, add it. Oh yeah. I gotta tell you, that's delicious. Really good rice. Getting that ginger, that garlic, that chicken. Fantastic. Alright, well, I do thank you for watching. And of course, all the links for the product, the pan, will be down in the description. If you have any questions, how I made the rice, or things I may have forgotten, I did add a little white pepper at the end. I just didn't show it. But yeah, the rice is delicious. I'm gonna go eat a big bowl of this right now because it's my breakfast. And I do thank you again for watching. We'll catch you in the next one. Take it easy.